Hello guys. I just wanted to share with you the skill tree mechanics I made for this game, and it's really simple. So this is our path that we are having. We can choose up to three paths, so it can be harvesting path that will give you different unique materials that you can craft, a combat path, a crafting path, and acrobatic path. And if we will show all the trees that we got here, we basically can follow the path. Um, let's follow up and increase the health. Also, we have another point, it's a job point. So basically, um, in this game you can get special points to get job. Let's say for blocking with weapons. If you add this, you will be able to block with your weapons. If you will go to the acrobatic mechanics, we will have third jump options. So not only we can jump 2 times, but it will be able us to give us 3 jumps. So it's really cool.